Intro, RideMXO. Welcome to RideMXO, where we explore the most futuristic machines on the road. Today's focus, the bold and powerful Tesla Cybertruck. 1. Design and exterior. The Tesla Cybertruck breaks every traditional pickup design rule with its stainless steel exoskeleton, sharp angles, and ultra-durable body. Built for strength and utility, it's engineered to resist dents, corrosion, and even extreme impacts. 2. Performance and power. Cybertruck delivers instant electric torque, impressive acceleration, and powerful towing capability. With its advanced tri-motor setup, it reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks ever built. 3. Battery and range. Equipped with Tesla's latest high-capacity battery, the Cybertruck offers an excellent driving range on a single charge. Its efficient design maximizes energy use, giving drivers confidence for long journeys and heavy-duty tasks. 4. Interior and features. Inside, the Cybertruck brings a spacious cabin with minimalist Tesla styling. A large touchscreen, durable materials, and smart storage solutions make it both futuristic and practical for everyday use. 5. Technology and safety. Cybertruck includes Tesla's advanced autopilot, real-time software updates, and a rigid exoskeleton for enhanced protection. Combined, these features deliver a highly secure and intelligent driving experience.